At CAF, we understand the critical importance of maintaining train fleets at the highest level of availability and safety. That's why we specialize in the design, manufacturing and installation of automatic Wayside systems, helping operators and maintainers move towards a truly smart maintenance. CAF Inspection Station performs proactive, non-contact monitoring of the most critical train assets, including wheel inspection, brake inspection, bogie inspection, pantograph or collector shoe inspection, car inspection, installed on commercial tracks or in workshops, these modular devices can be customized to each fleet's needs. The inspection station is powered by CAF's advanced digital ecosystem, LeadMind. All collected data is centralized in the LeadMind Wayside platform for real-time visualization, performance tracking, and predictive insights. This information enables the generation of work orders in the CMMS, streamlining maintenance operations, fleet status overview, detailed view of each measurement, advanced analytics for life prediction and early default detection, visual inspection using AI. We apply predictive models and computer vision to monitor key components, enabling early anomaly detection for improved safety and reliability. Wheel Analytics leverages historical data to project wheel life and optimize maintenance and stock planning. With over 75 international projects in 15 countries, we continue delivering automation, precision, and availability for railway maintenance.